In this lesson, we want to explain how to capture a text from an image or PDF or anywhere. For example, we have a photo that we want to export a text inside. Like this, as you can see, we cannot copy and text and take the text because it is an image. To do that, open the software, select the grab text mode here, and then after selecting desired area where the texts are, as you can see, the software export text for us and puts it in a window that we can easily copy and use wherever we want. This is very easy and useful.